Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $100 plus just by testing websites. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page I want you guys to go check out. I post a lot of valuable information about entrepreneurship, so go ahead and search on Instagram, or you can click on the link below for AppGrind and give me a follow. DM me that you follow me and I'll follow you back. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let's hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is userinterviews.com. So it says here, share your opinions, get paid. It's that easy. So earn money for your feedback on real products. With over 2,000 studies launching monthly, your opinions are in high demand. You just click here to sign up. So here are the steps you're going to be taking. So you're going to create a profile. So build your personal profile and start browsing studies to find those that interest you. Then number 2, you're going to apply to studies. So apply to studies by answering a few questions researchers will use to find their ideal participants. Many applications can be complete in under 1 minute. And number 3, show up and get paid. Once approved, sign up for a session time that works for you. Complete the session and get paid within a few days. How does that sound, guys? Only takes a minute to complete the study, and you're going to get paid in a couple of days. All right, here's one person right here, guys, that gave their review on this website. So Nina says, I enjoyed my user interviews experience because I get to help companies all over create products and services to help serve people around the world. And that makes me feel great. And here are the participants right here. If you want to read some more of these, you can. Now, it says here, we make it easy and worthwhile to participate in user research. So 30,000 participants paid in the last year. With plenty of studies to go around, we're proud to see our vast participant pool get paid for their valuable time. Over 2,000 studies launch every month, so apply to fresh studies when we email you or book your personalized browse page to serve studies anytime you like. The average study pays over $50, guys. So now this is how one of the studies will look right here. See this one right here, 30 minutes, $75. And as you can see here, look here, $125 you can get paid for this study right here. So all you're going to be doing is going to these little websites and giving your opinion when you participate in these studies, guys. So share your opinions with top brands. So these are some of the top brands that work with the website: Spotify, Pinterest, CNN, Amazon. So big companies, guys, big companies. Now, check this out. What type of studies that works for you? So they got online tests and surveys, 10 minutes or several hours, $20 to $300. Online interviews, 30 minutes to 2 hours, $20 to $300. Online diary studies, it take 3 days, maybe several weeks, but you make $55 to $400. Online focus groups, 1 hour to 3 hours, $40 to $200 plus. And check this one out, guys. Online studies, 30 minutes to several days, $20 to $1,500 or more. Guys, they are really paying big time on this website just to complete these studies. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. I think it's a very, very good opportunity, guys, to make some good money just doing a little study on these websites. So go ahead and go to userinterviews.com and get started to make this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. Drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, everywhere, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Now, one more thing before I go, guys. I do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep hitting that like button. If you share my videos, please keep sharing. Thank you. Really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000 is coming. It's going to be here sooner than later. So, guys, keep sharing it. Let's get there, guys. All right, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.